colorful coral reef is home to Sammy the sea turtle, Bella the dolphin, and Crabby the crab. They play hide and seek among the seaweed. Bella notices something shiny stuck in the coral. Bella, look! What's that silver thing? Sammy, it's a plastic bag. I've seen humans leave these behind. Days later, the reef is filled with trash, bottles, straws, and nets. Sammy gets tangled in a fishing net. Bella and Crabby work together to free him. Crabby, this is dangerous. We need to clean the ocean. The animals visit Grandpa Turtley, a 100-year-old sea turtle. Grandpa Turtley, when I was young, the ocean was clean. Now, humans' trash hurts our home. We must act. The animals brainstorm solutions. Bella, I can gather friends from the deep sea. Crabby, I'll organize a trash collecting team. Sammy, I'll teach everyone to avoid dangerous trash. Dozens of fish, octopuses, and crabs work together. Octo the octopus uses his tentacles to untangle nets. Dolphins push floating trash to the shore. Octo, teamwork makes the dream work. A curious human girl named Lily visits the beach. She sees the animals struggling with trash and starts picking it up. Lily, I'm sorry, little friends. I'll help. As the trash clears, the water sparkles. Grandpa Turtley smiles. Grandpa Turtley, the ocean's secret is simple: we're all connected. When you protect the sea, you protect yourselves. Lily visits weekly to clean the beach. The animals wave at her from the waves. Bella, humans can be helpers too. The coral reef regains its colors. Fish return, and baby sea turtles hatch safely. Crabby, our home is healthy again. Lily tells her school about ocean conservation. The animals celebrate under the stars. Sammy, the ocean's secret is safe with us.